Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a super useful trick for making your Power BI reports look polished and professional. We're talking about aligning the font in single value cards. If you've been frustrated by text that doesn't quite line up the way you want, or you want that perfect centered number to really stand out, you're definitely in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to control font alignment so your dashboard looks cleaner and communicates insights at a glance. Let's jump right in. First, we need to create a card visual. Cards are a powerful way to highlight big, impactful numbers, things like total sales, year-to-date revenue, or number of active users. Go over to the Visualizations pane and find the card icon. It looks like a rectangle with a little number inside. Give it a click and you'll see a blank card appear on your report canvas. This part is just like setting the stage for your data to shine. Next, we need to tell Power BI what number to display on our card. To do this, just drag your measure, for example, total sales, from the Fields pane and drop it right onto the card visual. Instantly, you'll see your data pop up. This measure could be any value you've calculated, so choose whatever key metric matters most for your report. Now let's get into the formatting magic. Look for the paint roller icon in the Visualizations pane. This is the Format pane, and it's where you get to personalize how your card looks. Click that to open up a stack of options. Here, where things get interesting and honestly where many people overlook valuable style tweaks. Inside the Format pane, scroll down until you find Callout Value. This is the section that controls how your number, the big, bold part of the card, is displayed. Click to expand it and you'll see a setting called Alignment. You might have only used the defaults before, but now try clicking through the options, left, center, and right. For instance, if you want a modern, balanced look, center is usually the way to go. If your dashboard has a column layout and you want numbers neatly lined up, aligning right or left can give you a tidier visual flow. It's a little change, but it can make your whole report easier to read at a glance. Depending on the Power BI theme you're using, you might also see options for vertical alignment, usually labeled top, middle, or bottom. This lets you fine-tune exactly where your number sits within the card, which is especially helpful if your card visuals are taller or you're trying to create a specific layout. Sometimes just shifting the number up or down gives your report a more balanced and intentional feel, but we're not done yet. If you're including a category label like total sales right underneath the value, you can customize this too. In the formatting options, look for category label. Here, you'll be able to shift the alignment of the label text and even play with the font size, weight, or color. For example, making the label a little bolder or changing its color can draw just enough attention without stealing the spotlight from your main value. And there you go, those quick steps let you control both alignment and style for your Power BI card visuals, so your critical numbers always look intentional and are easy to digest. Don't worry if it takes a little experimentation to get the look just right. Sometimes it's all about small adjustments. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or run into any issues. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more Power BI tips and data visualization tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy reporting.